How to make your teeth white naturally. Welcome to Healthy Bodies. We provide daily videos on a wide range of health topics. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, that way you will never miss any of our updates. In today's video we look at how to make your teeth white naturally, and outline several different methods that can help. When you consider how much we use our teeth, it's no wonder they may get stained along the way. The main cause of teeth yellowing is lifestyle. Smoking, drinking coffee and tea, and chewing tobacco are among the worst offenders. As a rule of thumb, any food or drink that can stain clothes can also stain your teeth. That's why dark-colored food and beverages, such as red wine, and sauces, such as soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, and curries, can all discolor teeth. Additionally, some fruit and vegetables, such as blueberries, cherries, beets and pomegranates, all have the potential to stain teeth. These items are high in chromogens, pigment-producing substances that can stick to tooth enamel. Not caring for teeth enough, such as inadequate brushing and flossing, can lead to a build-up of plaque, resulting in discoloration. So how can we make our teeth whiter naturally? Here are our top suggestions. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural teeth whitener and is included in many toothpastes. It's a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains on teeth. Additionally, baking soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which prevents bacteria from growing. Try mixing a quarter teaspoon of baking soda with water, and applying this to the teeth with your toothbrush. Alternatively, add the baking soda to a cheap toothpaste. It will not damage your teeth in any way. This is not a remedy that will whiten your teeth overnight, but you should notice a difference in the appearance of your teeth over time. Apples. Apples have long been considered as nature's toothbrush, and are a great way of cleaning teeth naturally. The fibrous content of apples helps clean teeth, by scrubbing away plaque and removing other food debris. Apples are known as a detergent food, as the rough edges act as a natural toothbrush. The acidity in the apple also helps kill off bad bacteria, that encourages bad breath. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries as a disinfectant and natural cleaning product. Acetic acid, which is the main active ingredient in apple cider vinegar, kills bacteria due to its antibacterial properties. This makes it useful for cleaning your mouth and whitening your teeth. Apple cider vinegar exhibits a bleaching effect. However, the acetic acid in vinegar does have the potential to erode the enamel on your teeth. Therefore, for this reason, you should not use apple cider vinegar every day and should limit the amount of time that apple cider vinegar is in contact with your teeth. To use as a mouthwash, dilute it with water and swish around in your mouth for several minutes. Strawberries. Strawberries contain malic acid, which can help remove discoloration from your teeth. Try mixing strawberry with baking soda, for an even more effective remedy. The strawberry will remove discoloration and the baking soda will buff away stains. Whitening your teeth with strawberry and baking soda is a natural remedy, that is used by many celebrities. If you decide to give this method a try, limit its use to a few times per week due to the acidic content in the strawberries. To use this remedy, simply squash a fresh strawberry, combine it with baking soda, and brush the mixture onto your teeth. Make sure to rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards. Pineapple. Pineapple contains the enzyme bromelain, which acts as a natural stain remover. Bromelain also helps break up plaque, the sticky film of bacteria that accumulates on your teeth. Carrots. Carrots contain vitamin A, which is needed for healthy tooth enamel. Furthermore, eating raw carrots stimulates saliva, your mouth's natural cleanser. Saliva naturally cleans teeth by washing away bits of food debris, and preventing a prolonged acid attack on tooth enamel. Saliva also contains antimicrobial agents, which help combat bad bacteria. Cheese. Cheese is rich in protein, calcium, and phosphorus, all of which can help counter the acid in your mouth. Calcium and phosphorus also assist in the remineralization of tooth enamel and strengthening of your teeth. Some tooth discoloration is caused by enamel eroding and exposing the dentin underneath, which is yellow. Therefore, anything you do to strengthen the enamel of your teeth will help keep your teeth whiter. Given the fat content in cheese, we would suggest just using reduced fat cheese. Alternatively, if you want a healthier option, why not try low-fat milk or yogurt instead? They both act in the same way. Onion. Onions contain antibacterial sulfur compounds, which can reduce bacteria in the mouth, the main cause of tooth decay. Eating them raw will ensure best use of these sulfur compounds. Chewing gum. Chewing gum is very beneficial when it comes to maintaining white teeth. It helps clean teeth mechanically by removing debris, and also stimulates production of saliva, which neutralizes acid and remineralizes tooth enamel. Make sure you choose a sugar-free gum. Water. Water is not only essential for overall well-being, it is also vital for great oral health. Water acts as a natural cleaner and has the power to wash away bacteria and residue left on the teeth after eating, so be sure to drink a glass of water after every meal. Also, try using warm salt water to rinse your mouth out after brushing. This helps to whiten your teeth naturally and looks after your gums. Salt is a natural antibacterial that works by attacking bacterial cell walls. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm, kettle-boiled water and use it as mouthwash, once it has cooled down a little. Coconut oil. Some people use coconut oil as a mouth rinse, which is known as oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional Indian remedy, which improves oral hygiene and removes toxins from the body. The practice involves swishing oil around in your mouth to remove bacteria, which can turn into plaque and cause your teeth to look yellow. Traditionally, Indians used sunflower or sesame oil for oil pulling, but any oil will work. Coconut oil is a popular choice, because it has a pleasant taste and offers many health benefits. Coconut oil is also high in lauric acid, which is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. Use a tablespoon of coconut oil and swill in the mouth for as long as you can. The longer the better, 10 minutes is the ideal time. Coconut oil is solid at room temperature, so you may need to wait a few seconds for it to melt when using. Unlike many other tooth whitening methods, coconut oil pulling does not expose your teeth to acid or other ingredients that erode the enamel. This means it's safe to use daily. Other tips. Coffee, red wine, soda, and dark berries can all stain. So try to limit the amount of time these substances are in contact with your teeth. If possible, drink beverages known to stain teeth through a straw, to prevent direct contact. And clean them regularly afterwards. Reduce your sugar intake. If you want whiter teeth, cut back on your sugar, since a diet high in sugar supports the growth of Streptococcus matans, the primary bacteria that causes plaque and gingivitis. When you consume a sugary food, be sure to brush your teeth soon after. Use an electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrushes can remove up to 70% more plaque than manual brushes alone. They also remove more stains by vibrating or rotating more effectively. Flossing removes some of the staining in between teeth, making your smile instantly look whiter. Try to floss several times a week, as this will not only improve the health of your gums, you will also notice your smile looking brighter. We hope you found this information useful. We have many similar videos being released shortly. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you will catch all the latest updates.